How to integrate your Printify account to your Etsy. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can integrate your Printify store to your Etsy store if you want to list your print-on-demand products on Etsy and sell. So it's actually really easy to do. First of all, you require an account on printify.com, and I already have an account. I have logged in. So I'm just going to click on my store. So this is my dashboard on Printify. On Printify, you will get the option right here of a store. So you will click on this drop down here and you can see it says add a new store, or it actually gives us the option to connect our Etsy store. So I'm going to click on add a new store. Like for instance, you are a complete beginner. So here you can see we have different sales channel available and we have Etsy. Select Etsy from here and now click on connect to Etsy. Once you select it, it will take you to your Etsy.com. You just need to log into your Etsy account. So if you have a store on Etsy, then it will be connected to Printify. Now you can see here we have my Etsy store. Click on manage my stores and you will be able to see that we have connected our Etsy right here. You can see a link has also been added. So it's super easy to connect our Etsy store to our Printify and take our products from Printify to Etsy to sell online. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.